Hello, my friend. How are you?
Good.
What's your name?
Youssef.
Youssef, mashallah. Okay, Youssef. So tell me, people hear about the pillars of Islam. What does pillars of Islam mean?
It means the Islam, the duties of Muslims.
The duties of Muslim. Wow, it's what every Muslim has to do. So if you're a Muslim, you have to do how many things to be a true Muslim?
5.
5 things. They're called the 5 pillars. What's the first pillar of Islam?
Shahada.
Oh, mashallah. What is Shahada?
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasul.
And what does it mean? So if we have to say that, what does it mean? I also have to believe it.
There is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger.
MashaAllah. You are amazing, my friend, and we'll see you next episode. Thank you so much. Okay, Youssef. Bye.
Bye.